In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a list in Microsoft Lists. Whether you're looking to create a template or simply want to back up the structure of your existing list, this guide will provide a step-by-step process to achieve just that. First, start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Microsoft Lists. Once there, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on Sign In. You'll be prompted to enter your email address followed by your password. This will grant you access to the Microsoft Lists environment and ensure that you're properly registered to use the application. Once logged in, navigate to the site where the list you intend to duplicate resides. Now that you're at the right location, hover over to the plus New button, and from the drop-down, select List. A dialog will appear entitled Create a List. From the available options, choose From Existing List. This method will allow you to clone the structure of the list you're working with, including any specific columns, views, and formatting you've previously set up. It's important to note here that this process will not copy over the individual data items within the list. If you do wish to duplicate the content as well, you'll need a couple of additional steps, which we'll cover shortly. So, moving on, after selecting the original list from the menu presented, you'll observe that your new list will mirror the structural framework of the original. Click Create, and voila! You've successfully duplicated the list structure. Now, if you need the contents too, here's how to proceed. Open both the original and new list simultaneously, but in separate tabs in your browser for easy switching. In the original list, look for and click the Edit in Grid View button located at the top. This will make your data editable in a grid-like format. To copy all the rows from the original list, click the top left cell in the grid, hold down Ctrl followed by the A key to select all the data, and then press Ctrl+C to copy it. Transition over to the New Lists Browser tab, and similarly, activate the grid view by clicking Edit in Grid View. Click in the top left cell of this new grid and then press Ctrl+V to paste the copied content you've prepared from the original list. Once you're satisfied that all data has transferred smoothly, simply click Exit Grid View to save your changes and solidify the duplication. And there you have it. You've now duplicated both the structure and contents of your list in Microsoft Lists. This simple process ensures that any custom list setup is preserved and allows you to work with or distribute your data as needed, all within a few straightforward steps. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has been helpful.